Hello, hello, hi, hi, hello, hello, hi. I am Balakrishna. I am Balakrishna. I like to explain today sounds of various birds, the benefits of the various birds. The bird sounds are the natural sounds. Usually I hear, usually we hears in the nature various sounds in our in our various situations we hear the abnormal sounds also. The abnormal sounds gives the abnormal vibrations to our body. The natural sound gives the relaxation to our body. So you try to hear hear you try to hear the normal sounds, the normal sounds and natural sounds. Why? Because in our body, according to yoga, the seven chakras are there. Seven chakras, that is basic chakra, that is means that means the Mooladhara chakra, sacral chakra means Swadhisthana chakra, solar plexus means Manipura chakra, and Anahata chakra means heart chakra, Vishuddha chakra means throat chakra, and Agna chakra, that is means Agna chakra. The next third eye chakra, Agna chakra means third eye chakra. Then the Sahasra chakra, crown chakra, crown chakra. The seven chakras gives the seven benefits to our body. So seven benefits it gives the seven chakras. Suppose the crown chakra means the pineal gland. The third eye chakra means where pituitary gland. So like this, the other hand we are saying the glands, in other hand we are saying the chakras. So anyhow, the seven chakras vibrates with a seven colors, seven natural colors, seven natural colors and seven natural sounds. So some people used to say Sapta Swaralu. So seven parts vibrates in our body, seven different colors and sounds. It is simple and easy. Anybody can balance our body by sitting in a chair nearby a tree or in a garden. Just observe the bird sounds and cheerings. Your chakras going to balance automatically. When chakras going to, according to yoga, when our chakras going to get balance, automatically we are body going to get balance. We get a peace of mind. We get a inner metabolism balance. So it gives a lot of benefit to our health. Lot of benefit to our health. We are going to get stress free, anxiety relief. When stress free, anxiety relief, we are going to get body free, mind free. In any circumstances, by working in various jobs, we get a stress. You try to hear the natural sounds. Usually we hear since our generations hearing by birds. In the morning hours, the people used to wake up by listening some bird sounds, and some people get happy by listening some bird sounds. So nowadays all and everybody seems busy, at least whatever the time, if you get in a weekly or monthly, try to as a as you get a time, spare a little bit time and try to listen the natural sounds, that means the bird sounds, birds cheerings. You get relax automatically. Spare only 5 minutes, that's all. while you are li- while you are receiving the sounds, just you first of all you get relaxed from head to toes and toes to head, and breathe in the sound and breathe out the sound slowly. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. While in breathing out, you get relax your body. Like this, you practice this. I think all of get benefit by this. Listening, hearing the natural sound, you are going to your body going to get fit. It supports to I, our mind and physical body, and I thank you very much to all of you. I hope practice it, get benefit. Thank you very much to all of you.